Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Formatic, Mercedes-Benz and C300 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Premium Burmester sound system throughout the vehicle. Rear seats. Memory seats with driver seat controls, heated seats, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is 31,974, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. Well, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.